Hello and good day. This is the second tip from the 4-step cure. I know the first tip was about prayers, and we're not done with prayers yet. I spoke about your ORI. Your ORI is your inner spirit, your head. You know, that voice that tells you not to do something and you do it anyway, just to find out that that voice was right. You speak positive to your ORI. You get in a mirror and you say, ORI, today bring me blessings, bring me prosperity, bring me love, bring me joy, bring me money. Whatever it is you want, you ask your ORI. And I know people are praying. That's good. That's great. I'm just giving you tips that'll help you magnify your prayers so that your prayers are answered. You have the energy. You possess it. It's just that simple. You say, ORI, I know that I'm asking you. And once I ask you, it shall be received. It shall be given. It shall be provided. And that is my pushing point for today.